Hi everybody and welcome back to Underdog's Factory. My name is Tristan and today I want to show you guys the absolute easiest way to start streaming on Twitch. Now this just came out last night, it's still in beta, but Twitch has actually released its own streaming platform, or not platform, like its own streaming app. So that way all you have to do is install this thing and turn it on and push a couple of buttons and you can be streaming with like your best possible settings in like under 5 minutes. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. It's called Twitch Studio, and like I said, it is in beta. You can download it right here. I'll leave a link to this in the description of the video, but it is Twitch TV/broadcast/studio, and it's pretty darn cool. It will walk you through the entire setup process, and you just push the big purple button over here. So let's do this. Okay, once you have everything downloaded and installed, this is the first screen that you're going to see. We're going to go ahead and click here where it says Get Started, and the first thing it's going to do is going to test my microphone to make sure that it's working. And you can see up here in the corner it says it's testing the hardware. So what it's doing is it's looking for seeing how much RAM I have, seeing what kind of video card I'm using. It's looking at all that kind of stuff to see what the best possible settings are going to be to stream from my computer. So you can change your microphone, you can personalize it right here, but I'm using a blue snowball. Next we're going to click Continue to Webcam. And that's not actually going to pull up because I am recording my screen over here. And so it's saying that my camera is being used. Let's try this. Yeah, you can't see it. Oh well. You do have some other filters over here that you can use. These will help to adjust some of the coloring or fix some coloring. So like if you need some extra vibrance or like extra saturation in your video or in your webcam, then you can use this right here. It's pretty cool. Next we're going to click Continue to Layouts. And over here we're going to customize these a little bit. So it comes with 3 layouts right off the bat, right? You have your main, which is what you use for gameplay. Your Be Right Back. And then your multi-purpose screen for discussion. So like this is like between matches or something. So let's go ahead and customize these real quick. So you can adjust your colors over here. So I like that one. And we're going to change this to like a green. We're going to change this to white. Actually, I'm going to make this like a dark gray. Yeah, there we go. And you can see how that's affecting the different screens down here. You can choose some different accent images that you can add, which would be right up here. This is going to be when somebody like subscribes or something like that. And then you can choose some different wallpapers that you want to use. Now you can also change these. This is going to be for the main screen when you're not actually displaying any game footage. So that's that. And then down here you can adjust these ones as well with some different patterns if you want. Like so. And then that will also affect these ones over here. And then you can move things around, I think. Nope, not yet. But that's how you get your basic layout to start. So next we're going to hit Next. This is going to tell us the best settings that we can have for our stream. So it looks like we're going to be streaming at 720p at 60 frames per second. And we can adjust that if we want. We can rerun that if we want. But that's fine. We're going to click Continue to App. And just like that, we're actually ready to start streaming right now. Like we can set up our stream just by clicking this, but we're going to do a couple things first. We're going to stream Minecraft because of course we are. So what we need to do is we need to edit our layouts a little bit. So we're going to click over here where it says Edit Layout, because right now it's only showing like just this blank screen, right? It's not actually showing anything that's going on behind it. So we're going to click on Game Capture, and we're going to click on Edit, select a source, and then we can either tell it to record an entire monitor like this, or if you have a game already set up and running, then you can select that. And then let's pull this thing back up. And then you can see that right there. So let's go ahead and turn that on. And we're done. Now if you want to add in like your web camera, that's going to go down over here. If you want to add in like an alert section, it's going to go right here. Or if you want to adjust any of that, so like if you want to make the alert last longer, then you can adjust it right here. And of course, all these are the different colors. So go ahead and save that. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start streaming. So we're going to hit Setup Stream. So that's the primary screen that we're going to be sharing. That looks good. Hit Continue. We're going to name this. We're going to call this Twitch. What was this thing called again? Twitch Studio Beta Test. I'll call it Minecraft Sky Factory 4. Now we're going to change our notification. We're going to change this to testing the new Twitch Studio Beta. And Minecraft tags, and I think that is good. I'll go ahead and leave that alone. Language is English. Click continue. And so that's how it's going to look. We're going to go ahead and click go live. And what do you know? We're actually streaming, and we can see that. Let's go ahead and give this a second to reload. This is my dashboard for Twitch, and you can see we're actually live over here. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna move that over here. We're gonna put this over here. Whoops, wrong one. Where'd it go? I lost Minecraft. Oh, it's right here. There. Okay. And then we're gonna put this over here on this side, just so we can kind of see everything working. You can see we're actually streaming. Now, nobody's watching because I've never streamed over here before. I have like once. But that's it. We are streaming, and this video has been recording for 7 minutes. So we've got 7 raw minutes of video footage here. This video's probably gonna be a little bit shorter than that. But yeah, figure about 5 minutes you can be up and running and streaming to Twitch just like that. How cool, am I right? If you guys want to start streaming to Twitch, but you have been a little intimidated by like bitrate settings and all that other stuff, then definitely give this a look. It's free and it's pretty darn cool, and I have yet to find an easier way to set up a Twitch stream than this. So I think that'll do it for me. My name's Tristan from Untitled Factory. Have yourselves an excellent day, and I will see you guys in game. Bye.